Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Bruce, your Asia #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office in Singapore. As you can see, I have lots of books. Half of my home-based business office is filled with books right up to the ceiling. So I'm recording this special video. It's titled, Follow this step-by-step plan to earn your first million in MLM. Follow this step-by-step plan to earn your first million in MLM. And I love to use acronym, so PLAN with the exclamation mark. P stands for purpose. You must be crystal clear on your purpose, your compelling purpose, why you want to do the business. It's not how to do it. That is only the 5% factor. The methodology, the how to process, the why factor is 95%. What is your burning desire? What is your big dream? And then when your why is strong enough, you learn how to do it. You learn how to do it at the training, seminars, webinars, special events and conventions from many successful leaders. And you learn from my 12 monthly 2-hour webinars when you commit a very small one-time investment in the Business Builder package. Millions worldwide have invested 100,000 to a million or more to start their conventional or franchise business. So are you willing to make a very small one-time investment of less than $1,000 in a Business Builder package of excellent health supplements, skincare, hair care products that's going to help you feel and look years younger? And you have the option to build a global business, a simple 24/7 global business in 145 countries. If you don't find that exciting, then skip this video. It's not for you, right? This video is for those who get excited about, wow, I can make a very small one-time investment of less than $1,000. It's like going on a shopping spree at a shopping mall, and suddenly the shopping mall owners showed up and asked me, since you have invested less than $1,000, we'd like to reward you with a simple 24/7 global business in 145 countries. Would you want it? Most probably your answer will be why not, especially when the global business can help you earn $3,000 to $10,000 or more a month in 1 to 3 years. And if you want to earn your first million, it can take 1 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, or 5 to 10 years. It depends on your level of commitment of money, time, and consistent effort. The money is a very small one-time investment of less than $1,000. It's the consistent effort, right? Commitment of time and consistent effort. So commitment is what separates the men from the boys, those who succeed from those who fail. So then L is for leverage. You leverage a brilliant, foolproof, fail-proof money-making system. It's brilliant because everyone wins. The preferred customer win because they're getting the excellent health supplements, skincare, hair care products at wholesale prices. They're not interested in the business. They just want to get the products so that they can feel and look years younger, right? And at wholesale prices. Then the independent distributors or the network marketers, the business builders, they want to build a simple 24/7 global business to generate 3 to 10,000 or more a month, or to earn their first million in 1 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, or 5 to 10 years. Then the company win because the company offers the distributors, the independent distributors, the most effective form of marketing, which is word of mouth marketing. So they're leveraging on the most effective form of marketing, and that is network marketing, word of mouth marketing. And it's foolproof because when you work the system will work for you. And we'll teach you how to work with 5 powerful universal laws to guarantee your success. The law of averages. You must do enough and do it long enough to get what you want in life. Some will, some won't next. It's foolproof. You don't have to be very smart to do the business. Just follow the step-by-step instruction. It's fail-proof because when you work the system will work for you. It takes 2 to tango, right? So I'm speaking to you from 29 years of network marketing knowledge and experience. I know the business like the palm of my hand. And I invested over 100,000 to learn from many successful entrepreneurs. And for less than $1,000, you step into my 100,000 investment. and I also invested over $10,000 to learn digital marketing. So now you get the best of both worlds, high touch and high tech, network marketing integrated with digital marketing. And foolproof, fail-proof. And A is for ask. If you don't ask for it, you're not going to get it. So that's how the business works. How you ask through a viral report. We teach you how to leverage on the viral report, leverage on the viral video, or do a simple 25-minute business opportunity presentation over a cup of coffee. And you have the option of getting the leaders to support you with your first 10 presentations, so you can learn and earn at the same time. Right? After listening to 10 presentations, you should be able to do your own and be independent, and then you can speed up your business, right? Because if you depend on the leaders, you need to arrange a certain time for the leader to present it for you. So ask through a viral report, viral video, or simple 25-minute opportunity presentation. I'm just giving you the gist of it. The details you learn at the training, seminars, webinars, special events, and conventions. That is the how-to, the methodology, right? And my 12 monthly 2-hour webinars. But most important, you must focus on your why, the 95% factor, the compelling purpose, your burning desire, your big dream. Then N is for numbers. When we talk about numbers, I'm giving you a realistic income potential and a realistic time frame. If you want to earn $3,000 to $10,000 or more a month, it's going to take you 1 to 3 years, right? And if you're slow, 3 to 5 years. And if you want to earn $1 million then in MLM, then you got to put in a massive effort, lots of commitment, and you can do it 1 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, or 5 to 10 years. Again, what's your level of commitment? Commitment is what separates the man from the boys, those who succeed from those who fail. And then also the power of your network. Who can you bring into the business? If you can bring in successful doctors, influential doctors, lawyers, accountants, successful celebrities, influencer, then because they have a large following, and in 1 to 3 years you can earn your first million. Because how wonderful, this business, you leverage on other people's credibility, other people's network, other people's influence, other people's money, other people's time, and other people's effort, right? So you leverage on their network. Then the exclamation mark represents the irresistible offer. It's an offer that is packed with so much value, benefits, and advantages, you want to grab it now. So what's stopping you from living your dream? Right? Like I've said many times in my other videos, millions, not thousands, millions worldwide have invested 100,000 to $1 million and more to start their conventional or franchise business. Now for a tiny fraction, less than $1,000, you can build a simple 24/7 global business in 145 countries, and you have a powerful e-commerce website that's worth 100,000 and a powerful mobile app that's worth 100,000 or more. And isn't that an irresistible offer? And you got my 12 monthly 2-hour webinar where you can tap into my 29 years of network marketing and 23 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience. 50% will be on how to earn your first million in network marketing, and the other 50% will be $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. In fact, right now you can learn for free. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to my blog, brucesia.com. So here I have my link, but in my other viral video I don't have my link. So you can leverage on my viral video and my viral report. The link you can change, replace it with your link. So whatever we do, it must be simple and duplicatable. So you want to join my team as a business builder, get any business builder package for less than US $1,000, and you can attend my 12 monthly 2-hour webinars. So basically that's it. P is for purpose, L for leverage, A for ask, N for numbers, and the exclamation mark represents the irresistible offer. So take the first baby step. Click on the link, join my team, and learn at the training, seminars, webinars, special events, and conventions. And love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. And I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye-bye.